How to download a song on Audiomack. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Audiomack application. Make sure that you have logged into your account. After logging into your account, you can see the home page will look something like this. Now if you want to download any song, you just have to go and search for the song over here. So let's search for the song. You can just type in this on the search bar, or you can just search it by looking at the different list over here. So I'm going to tap on this particular song over here. As I tap on that, you can see the option of download over here between different menus over here, from like, playlist, then share. So just tap on download, and as you tap on download, it will give an option that if you want to download this track for free. So if you want to watch it for free, then or download it for free, then you can just watch an ad to download. So just tap on watch ad and download, and it will launch the ad that you'll have to watch in order to download. So as you can see, the cross mark has already come, so just tap on the cross mark, and as you tap on that, here you can see the song has already been downloaded. You can just go to the library options and then tap on downloads, and here you can see the song has already been downloaded. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.